Okay, guys, let's see the first question. First question is saying that Ashraf, I can notice and so okay, read this container by yourself. Okay, there is one file. The file is like looking like this. Okay, in this file, you are having this kind of a data, and the question is saying here the first line is the file name. So here, this is the file name. Okay, you have to take it as an input. The second line is the alphabet character. Alphabet character is S. Okay, output format is the output is the line in a file starting with the user given character, otherwise display not found. So if any line here is starting with the S character, right, you have to print it, else you have to print not found. Suppose if there is no S character here, you will say not found. Okay, that thing you have to do here. Okay, let me do this thing as I showed in the previous video as well. We will do it the same way. So what I will do is first, we have to open the file. I will say with. Mhm. I guess you are able to see it. I'm recording it because there is certain things here. Maybe this is looking like small, but just try to zoom it out, and figure it out by yourself how you will find these things. Okay. So let me show you. I will say with open, and okay, with open. Why I'm doing with open? First thing is we have to take this file as an input, file name as an input. So I will say file equal to input. Okay, took it as input. Then I will say character we have to took. I will say chr. Okay, chrr equal to input again. Okay. Then what we will do? We will open the file which has been stored in this file. What I will say? I will say with. Then I'll say open, and after the open, I will give here the file because it has been stored in this variable file, and I will open it in the read mode, and let me give the aliasing as f, and here I will say for line in f, and here I will say if what I will do here is if line of 0 is equal to mm, chrr and here I will say print, and I will print the line itself. Then what we have to do, line. Okay, strip I will use because of the it will give you the new line, or you can use the end as well, as I have shown you in the previous video. Okay, line dot strip I will do, and after that we have to just print those lines only. Can I use the break here, or let me the break, because only one line is here. If you have to find the other lines as well, okay, no need to use the break, right? uh, I guess this will work. Let me run it. Hope it will execute fast. It's taking a time. Okay, it is throwing an error, but you are getting the output. That's correct. Okay, not found, we are not getting here. Let me handle the not found. What I will do here is one thing I'm understanding here, you can do it in the other ways. So let me do it with the flag. I will say flag 0, and here what I will say is I will say once we got it, I will convert the flag as 1, and after here I will say after completion of for loop I will say if flag is equal to 0. I guess you know those things what I'm trying to do here, and here I will say print not found. It is in capital NOT, and here I will say FOUND found. Okay, let me run it. Now it is working fine. NOT. Okay, O is small. I have given here capital. I will say not found. Okay, it's working fine. One test case is failing here. What if I'll do the break? Maybe something is happening in between. Okay, now it has been passed. Okay, now since you are having just the one line here, and once we got that line, and we'll print that line, and that's it, right? I hope you understood this thing now. Let me zoom it so that you will understand in a better way. Right. Okay, this is the answer now. Okay. There is one more way. Let me show you that as well. Hope you understood this thing. So what I'm trying to do here, just take the first character of this line. Okay, if it is matching with the character that user is saying, and we will print it out and convert the flag as one. If the flag is one, that means we have found there is something here like f. He's giving here f, right? So if you will see here, there is no sentence that is starting with f. So at the time, what you have to tell, you have to tell not found. There is no sentence here which is starting with the f. Okay, and there is one more way. Let me do how I can do it. I will say here something I have to say. If file, okay, and here what I will do is I will say if line dot, and I will use the strip. Strip is necessary or not? It's not necessary to keep the strip here, but let's keep it. And I will say dot starts with, and here I will say starts with chrr, and print the line, strip it and out, and let me run it now. Okay, okay, it's executing fine, right?